My name is Shivakumar. I'm aged 52. I'm from Bangalore. I started my Shathayu from JP Nagar branch, which is roughly around 2016, and then I got treated for the psoriasis condition, which is one of the autoimmune diseases, which is a long history of psoriasis. So it started at around 2008, and then I actually started treatment from 2016. Dr. Abhijit referred me here in treat for in the last 3 years, which I am taking the detox process. It's basically body purification. So I found the results are extremely good because my skin conditions are much improved, and then the weight is also a bit manageable. The therapies and the doctors and services, everything in treat looks extremely good. Very kind, very cooperative, and food is very nice. So all these things makes a much difference to the body. So but you don't look like me at 52 because of the Ayurveda. So what I'm getting the treatment. Hope this helps. I probably will recommend this treat for most of the patients, especially who are suffering the autoimmune diseases. Thank you.